वेलकम टू आई एस स्पॉट पॉइंट। हम आज पढ़ने वाले हैं एम लक्ष्मीकांत इंडियन पॉलिटी का चैप्टर फर्स्ट हिस्टोरिकल बैकग्राउंड का पार्ट थर्ड। पार्ट फर्स्ट में हमने इंट्रो देखा था कि हम क्या क्या पढ़ने वाले हैं। पार्ट सेकंड में हमने पढ़ा था कि एक्ट ऑफ रेगुलेटिंग एक्ट, ओके, रेगुलेटिंग एक्ट ऑफ 1773। अब पार्ट थर्ड में हम पढ़ेंगे पिट्स इंडिया एक्ट ऑफ 1784। तो इन पिट्स इंडिया एक्ट ऑफ 1784 first thing was to remove the weakness of regulating act of 1773. It was made to remove the weakness of regulating act of 1773. This act of settlement of 1781 came. Okay, so to remove the weakness of regulating act of 1773, this act of settlement of 1781 came. After that, Pitt's India Act of 1784 came in existence. So to remove the weakness of that act, this act of settlement came, and after that Pitt's India Act of 1784 came in existence. Now its features. What was the importance of that act? What were the features of this act? So the political and commercial functions of the company were separated. So with the help of this act, the political and commercial functions of the company, East India Company, was separated. Okay, was separated. Second feature of this act was the system of dual governance started. Okay, the system of dual governance means there was two governance system. First, board of directors and board of control was made with regard to this act, Pitt's India Act of 1784. Third feature of this act was the board of control had the power to control all civil, military and revenue activities in India. So the board of control, okay, there was two separated governance system. First was board of directors and second was board of control. So board of control had the power to control all civil, military and revenue activities in India. So they had the power to control the military and revenue activities in India. So that was the third feature of that act. Now its importance. What was the importance of this act? So the area of the company in India was called the area of Britishers' dominion for the first time. So the area of company, the area which was under company in India was called area of Britishers' dominion for the first time. That was the importance of this act. Second, the British government took complete control of the company's operation and administration in India. So in India, the administration and operations of the company's work was under British government in full way, okay, in complete way. This was also the importance of the act of Pitt's India Act, okay. So if you like our notes, then please like, share and subscribe the IAS Spot Point.